So, this is what happens when you try and do things the first time. You make mistakes, you learn. We had a fairly decent leak from right there. Tried clogging it with a little piece of stick and I think that helped, but this is why we waterproof from the outside first. This is kind of the insurance policy, and it's not the best insurance policy. So, you live and you learn. Now we give this 24 hours. See how she looks. So, it leaked. Not as much as I honestly anticipated it to, but it did leak a decent amount. There is an upside to this. So, the whole reason we did the exterior of this was for this exact reason. Because this is not a foolproof way of doing it. When I first bought this house, as you can see, this crack goes down, travels along the floor, and then over there by the door. So this whole entire corner kind of disconnected from the house. We got helical piers put in on either corner, and they lifted it to be flat with the rest of the house. This was more just an insurance policy and extra waterproofing. So the fact that it's not 100% perfect is not really a big deal. So let's knock these things off and see how much it actually made it up the wall. So we made it up about halfway. Right here we got a full kind of overlay, and then we don't. Not positive if I can do another round of ejections in there, but I'll look that up, see if that can be a thing. Yeah, it's kind of where this ends, to be honest. We'll see how it performs. Bye.